Hi, I'm Gibaud, and today my monthly tutorial about Luminar Neo. Christmas is coming, lights are on the street, so this is the right time to make pictures like this. So we're going to see how to improve them. Don't forget, with Eric 10 you get 10% discount on Luminar Neo. There's a link below, 10% on top of any offer they have, so use it, you save some money. So let's start. The big problem with Christmas time and street light and everything for Christmas is difficult because you have really high lights and then you have shadows with noise because maybe you put high ISO, maybe there's some element you want to remove, all this. So we're going to see some pictures, see how I fix them. And also sometimes at Christmas you go out without your camera and you use your smartphone. So I will show you a few pictures also I made with my iPhone in RAW format, so you can have a look at it and see how we could fix it. So let's go for the samples. So often at Christmas time we go out with kids or family and we use our smartphone to make pictures. So I wanted to show you how I fixed and improved some smartphone picture I made with my iPhone. I did shoot in RAW file because you have this option. So let's start with this one. This picture is not too sharp because it was really low light. I was stopped my car and through the window, open the window, but through the window I did it. So first let's go to develop, see the auto adjust, what it offers. I think that's okay, it gives protagonism to the lights. And now I just want to improve the sharpness. So let's go to can go motion or blur or universal. I'm going to put a motion, middle, see what it does. Now it calculates, it's going to apply the sharpness, okay, to make it better. Okay, let's zoom on this. We do see a difference. It removes a bit of this glow, okay. So now what I want to do is go to the magic light, intensity. As you can see, it will put on some light, not all of them, okay. And I'm going to make it clearness, well, sharpness, okay, so it makes a bit like this. The glow, the intensity, the size, the brightness, make it a bit brighter, okay. And then I'm going to add my own dots like this. For example, or here, or here. The idea is not to be real, the idea is magic, it's Christmas, and to create your own style. Obviously you could do that with a star filter, physical filter, glass filter. And as you can see, if I think it's too much, I can drop a bit the intensity, or maybe I don't want the beam to be as long, but as you can see, I give a bit of magic to this picture easily, and that's it. So you could easily create something a bit more magical with this. Let's go to another picture, let's go to catalog. I'm going to pick this one. In this case, I see the colors are a bit dull. It's raw file also, so I'm going to improve it. And here there's also rubbish bin and a person here. I'm not going to have the video too long, so I will remove the rubbish bin, but first let's develop it. Let's see what it offers. I think it lifts up too much shadows, but really I think the colors are a lot more sad than the reality. The reality was more, so I'm going to saturate a lot more. That looks more to what I saw. I could improve more things, but now there's one thing I want to improve. I want to remove this rubbish bin. For that, I'm going to go to generative here. I'm going to erase here. Okay, let's go 100%. I'm going to select this as good as I can. Okay, let's see what it does. And that's it. Could be a bit better, I think. I could improve it. But let's see now. Let's get out the screen. I think that's okay. Colors could be a bit better. I'm going to improve a bit, I think. And here the stain, I will erase it now. So it creates a new picture now. So I'm going to go to edit, and here I'm going to erase this. this small stain here. We're going to try to erase it. Okay, and there's one thing I would like to do is to clone a part, because I think let's clone here. The size is here. Let's clone a bit of this here and clone it here. I think it would be a bit better. Maybe the size. Maybe clone here. That's it. Okay, that's not perfect, but it's, I think, a lot better than what we had at the start. So as you can see, it's really easy to do and improve your picture. By the way, if you wanted to help me, don't forget I've got affiliate links in the description. Please use them. That really helps me. And if you wanted to buy Luminar Neo, as I said, you get 10% discount with the code ERIC10. 10% on top of any offer they have. So still use it. You save some money. And with ERIC20, you get 20% discount on K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. So use it. You save some money. That helps me. Everyone happy. So let's carry on. The big problem of this one, if you've got every problem you can dream of or have nightmare with, which I should say, for Christmas picture. First, slow shutter speed, the image is blurred, okay? Second, here, there's too much light here, too much light here. Second, this wheel is dull. It's moving, actually, this is why you see it's moved, okay? But it's really too much, too sad, okay? So we're going to see how we could improve this. Let's go to develop the picture. First, let's see the recommended adjustment. I think it gives too much brightness. I don't like it. I go back here, okay? I think I could drop a bit the white also. And there are several things I want to do. The first I want to do is to get this sharp. So I'm going to go to super sharp, select motion blur sharpness. I should go to middle or high. Try both to see what works better depending on the situation of your picture. Now it's applying the super sharp. We're going to see the difference. Right now it's calculating. Okay, it takes a bit of time. It says applying super sharpness, and you're going to see the difference. If I go here, you can see the difference is incredible. Actually here, if you see on the text here, without sharpness applied, with sharpness applied. The difference is important. What else could I do on this? Well, there are probably some noise, more noise, okay? So I could also reduce the noise. I could have go to the option of, where is that here? Noiseless, and do it directly here. Or I could go to noise reduction. I could here to denoise and do it myself. Okay, and boost, whatever. That's the way of doing it. Use the one you prefer. Test, do some tests for yourself and compare. Or you could go to the noiseless and also do middle and whatever you want, and it calculates and reduces the noise. So it's something you should test for yourself and see what works better for you, okay? What else could I do? First, I think there's a problem here. There is too much light here on this point. So I'm going to dodge and burn. I'm going to darken, take care with the size, get the size that corresponds to what you need. And here I'm going to darken this. I'm also darkening a bit the house, but it's a demo purpose. I would do it a bit more carefully if it was something definitive, okay? Maybe I should here also a bit darker here, maybe the door or whatever, okay? And maybe a part here. You go and test. I don't like this, okay? Go and test as you want, but as you can see, the difference is important. This was too much light, now it's a lot better, I think. What else could I do? Well, I think this wheel is boring. There's a great feature here which is called neon. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to this. Let's go to the wheel. Neon, I don't know why I put it. It's here, neon, okay. And I'm going to draw here. Okay, as you can see, you can draw. I'm going to draw just here, the wheel, the whole wheel. I could go a bit better straight, okay. I'm going to do the whole wheel, but as you can see, you can play on the spread, okay. Play on the atmosphere if it goes, if you really see this magenta, go there. You can also paint any color you want, as you can see. Okay, I put this because I think it was more like a fair. Okay, like this. The whiteness, if it's really, how much is it? Like this, and the spread, and you're going to play with that. So when you're happy with this, the spread, I think it's too much. Okay, and the amount, if it's too much, you go and play the way you want. Okay. Okay, now you can actually play more. Okay, you paint as well as you can. Okay, I'm painting with a mouse. Obviously, if you did with a tablet, it would be a lot more precise. Okay. Okay, do it this way quickly so you have a look at the results. And this is the idea, to give a more crazy look to this. Oh, I'm out, doesn't matter. It's just for demo purpose. If you have to do it well, concentrate and don't speak at the same time, okay? As you can see here, could play with the amount and the spread more or less, okay? If it affects the atmosphere or not. Okay, as you can see, this whole area gets a bit more pink, okay? Well, the idea, I could do more of this if I want, okay? Not just that part, okay? The idea is not if it's realistic or not. The idea is you do what you want. I've seen many wheels like this that have that kind of colors and really bright colors and give really brightness to the party and to the fair, okay? This one was it was working, but it was there was no light on it. So if you want to create this, you can actually have also the other side, or this can paint everything. So the idea is it realistic? Are you a reporter or are you a creative person? Both are completely valid. If you want it without that, that's fine. But my job is to show you can do it. So, well, my idea for this video is to show you. So you can see the picture you had and the picture you have now. So yeah, it's probably more Christmas party, or you could have in green or in red or whatever. So this is the idea. Well, that's it. I hope you see how easy it is to improve your pictures with Luminar Neo. So yeah, easy, no? So use it, and if you wanted to buy it, don't forget to get a 10% discount with the code ERIC10. There's a link below if you wanted to buy it. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The small button down here, it's a small bell. If you click on the bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Don't forget, I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel. There's a join button just below, and for just €1.99 a month, you help me. So you get a small star next to your name, and I answer your question with priority. Also have affiliate links in the description. Please use them. As I said, with Luminar Neo, you get 10% discount on top of any offer they have if you use the code ERIC10. And with ERIC20, you get 20% discount on K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. So use it. That saves you some money. That helps me, everyone happy. Also leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.